Logitech G Pro X60 Lightspeed Wireless Gaming Keyboard is a compact, 10 keyless, TKL, 60% mechanical keyboard designed for competitive gaming. It features LightSync RGB for customizable lighting effects and dual-shot PBT keycaps for enhanced durability. The keyboard uses GX optical tactile switches, offering precise, responsive keystrokes. Its Lightspeed wireless technology ensures a reliable, high-performance connection on Windows PCs. The sleek black design complements any gaming setup. HK Gaming GK61 is a compact 61-key mechanical gaming keyboard designed for both PC and Mac gamers. Featuring Gateron optical blue switches, it provides a tactile and audible click, ideal for a satisfying typing experience. The keyboard is equipped with customizable RGB backlighting, allowing for a vibrant, personalized look. It offers full programmability, enabling users to customize key functions to suit their gaming needs. The wired connection ensures reliable performance with minimal input lag, making it a solid choice for gamers seeking responsiveness and aesthetic appeal in a compact form factor. Corsair K95 RGB Platinum is a premium mechanical gaming keyboard featuring Cherry MX speed switches for ultra-fast actuation. It boasts 6 programmable macro keys for custom commands, USB pass-through for easy connectivity, dedicated media controls, and vibrant RGB LED backlighting with dynamic lighting effects. The durable black finish and aircraft-grade aluminum frame ensure both aesthetics and durability, making it an ideal choice for gamers seeking high performance and customization.